Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me.
Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this preset in Lightroom Mobile. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more Lightroom preset tutorials.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're holding your hand. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
Said you wanna talk in the living room. I'ma take this ride. To get away from you is like the same track on repeat. No matter what, you never get what you need. Anything I do isn't good enough according to you. I'm still messing up, it's like the same songs on repeat. There's no point in staying, that's why I leave. If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Never thought we'd see the end, but I understand. Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had. But before it fell apart, I'd be cool with that. How do we end up hating each other so fast? Good things don't last, no, good things don't last.
I just wanna talk, but you walk away. I want your love, I'm begging you to stay. I know I messed up in the past, but baby, this time we will last, yeah. Cause everything you do wasn't good enough, and every time you try, you would mess it up. It's like the same songs on repeat. There's a point in staying, so please don't leave, yeah.
If only I could've saved us before we crashed. Got caught up under these waves, and now we're trapped. Never thought we'd see the end, but I understand. Good things don't last, no, good things don't last. If only we could restart everything we had.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you. I hate feeling so uncertain. She left and I keep on searching, but I can tell there's someone hurting you too. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay here through the night. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay until I'm fine. It's never real until you feel like she got someone new. It's hard to deal when someone else is loving her by you. And when you hold me this way, it just don't feel the same. I'm telling you it's better if we don't get attached. And when we're better, we'll know it's time to move on to the next. Mama said when I was younger, couldn't be alone. I still can't be alone, no. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay here through the night. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay until I'm fine. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.